No, no, no. 1, 1, 1.
If the sevens are lucky or not. Now, let's talk about the Sunny Sora CP release here in Melbourne. Super cute eating the world at Richmond Fiat Red. So, what photo can we take? I don't know. Well, maybe this.
Hold me in your arms, don't let me go. I want to stay forever.
No. Well, we'll talk about it when the date gets nearer. And for Zero show next month, which, I don't think I will be going to see Zero. We're going to see Twice on the day when Zero performs. Which means, for the Twice concert in Melbourne. Alfredo Numbers hasn't been to an KGI event. I don't know. We tried to ask him. Or maybe he said he was busy on other stuff. I remember he went to Supernova with us last year. Hendrix Salmon on the other hand. He has been to Kemomo Party, Oz Comic Con 2025, and Animuga 2025. With Oz Comic Con 2025 and Animuga 2025, he cosplayed. With the times, Zero's show starts at 6 p.m., while Twice starts at 7:30 p.m. With me, homie Robert, Rap Guy, and Dish Boy, and Hendrix Salmon also going. Draper on the other hand, he's going to see Zero. That's all. The lineup are yet to be released. In about today, I think so. But we'll see. With Twice, I really like them than Blackpink. Blackpink says this in their song about 1 million times. More like black crows in your area.
Pretty little thing, let me light your candle cold, so mama, I'm sure all the hand and I just around.
So is it Blackpink or Black Grouse?